This is the elevator in an apartment building in the South Hills of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This was originally an old Pittsburgh with Pittsburgh armor, but sadly it was modernized by Dover Marshall in the late 90s or maybe early 2000s with traditional. Because the crest should go because it's not Otis, that's an armor indicator. They don't work though. It's still relay control, but it's on a Dover relay controller, it's on Dover LMH. Which might have been like a hydraulic mod controller or something. Here we go down to P. Which B1, basement 1 does not show up on the indicator for some reason. Here, P. Squeaky. The down doesn't work, but up works. Up 3. It's loud. Turn it off. Roll vibrate. Here 3. Back on 1. Yeah, can't do it. No phone wire there though. It's a basic old armor Pittsburgh cab. Certificate installed 1965. 3-year PRV2 pressure test. What's weird is had an all in like 1999, I think it was, but it said it was canceled, but it looks like it was still modded anyhow. So I thought this was original, they didn't mod it, but obviously that was not the case. It was Marshall who did the all. Because it's not going to do that.